Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at my latest Amazon purchase. This is the Trueque Wireless Keyboard. It has 7 different backlight options. So with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else thinking about buying the item. I want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So I apologize, the box is a little bit big for my display settings on my camera. Hopefully you're going to be able to see this okay. Now there are a bunch of different wireless keyboards. This one just met the criteria of what I was looking for. I don't really care about the backlight, but I've got kids who love this stuff, so I'm going to make them jealous. With the backlight settings, what I was looking for is 10 key, quiet keys, and wireless. And that's what we've got with this. So what I thought I would do is I'm going to walk you through the setup. Let me show you everything you get with this keyboard. We'll take a look at the keyboard itself here in a second. Basically an instruction manual, a Type-C charging cord. So supposedly on a full charge, this keyboard will run for up to 24 months between charges. It has an automatic shutoff that does help with the battery life. Then they give you this adapter and then your dongle. What the adapter is going to be for is it basically gives you a Type-C that you can plug your dongle into, and then you can use this basically with your tablet or with your smartphone if you're wanting to use the keyboard with one of those. I'm going to be using it with a computer, so I'm not going to need this, although I could use it with my Type-C port if I didn't want to use my USB port. So let's go ahead and let's plug it in. It is a plug-and-play system, so you don't need to download any kind of software. I did want to show that there is an on-off button on the back. You do have to turn it on, obviously, if you're wanting to use it. And then all we're going to do is simply plug in the dongle. You'll notice my computer registered it. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. And once I hit a key, you'll notice that the keyboard turned on. Let me try and type. Hopefully you're going to be able to see my font on my screen. You can tell it's very responsive. It's pretty quiet. There's a little bit of hearing the keys, but I think it's advertised as 90% quiet. I would agree with that. There's a little bit of delay with the typing, but that's kind of expected with these wireless keyboards. It's very little though. Let me hit enter and see. You can tell, very responsive. Let me show you the keyboard colors. Now you've got some different options. You can press the function button and you can basically dim or turn off the colors on the keyboard, or you can make it brighter, or as advertised. You can change the background color to up to seven different colors. Pretty simple stuff. I hope it gives you an idea of how the Trueque wireless keyboard works. Thanks for watching.